Welcome to the presentation of the Master's degree in Physics at the University of Ferrara. The Master's degree is hosted by the Department of Physics and Earth Sciences at the Polo Scientifico Tecnologico in Ferrara. Polo Scientifico Tecnologico is a newly built area that you may see here in this map that is close to the railway station and to the historical city center. At the Polo Scientifico Tecnologico there are the classrooms, research laboratories, the library, the office of the teaching manager, there are the student offices, the canteen, a bar, and you have a bus connection both with the railway station and with different areas of the city. The lecturers of the master's degree are part of the staff of the Department of Physics and Earth Sciences, and therefore the topics of the courses of the master's degree reflect the research areas that are under investigation at the department. Here you may find a brief review of the available research areas. There is a section devoted to the field of physics of fundamental interactions, one to condensed matter physics, and one to astrophysics and cosmology. So in this part, we go from the physics of the small elementary particles up to the physics of large objects as galaxies. There is also a section devoted to theoretical physics that is related to all the three before mentioned areas. Other sections are related to applied physics, more specifically in the field of energy and environment and of medical physics. Eventually, we have also a section that was introduced very recently and that is devoted to the didactics of physics and scientific dissemination. This is just a brief list of the research areas. For more details on each of them, you may follow the link included in the presentation of this video or the links that you will find in the following pages. At the master's degree in physics, all the lectures are delivered in English. The structure of the degree is the following. We have 6 required courses where fundamental subjects that were presented at the bachelor degree are studied in more detail and more specifically. Then there are 6 optional courses that allow to tailor the master's degree depending on your interests. Then you have the opportunity to attend an internship. And finally, we have the degree thesis. At this master's degree, the ratio between the number of students as lecturers is very favorable. So there is the opportunity to establish a strong interaction with the lecturers during the lessons. Here you may see the results of the evaluation of the opinion of the students about this master's degree that was collected by Alma Laurea. As you may see, the fraction of students that was satisfied with the degree, that had a good opinion of the lecturers and of the didactic load, is larger than the average fraction that was evaluated over all the other master's degree in physics in Italy. To go in more detail about the optional courses, we have prepared some reference tracks that follow the research areas presented before. In each track, you may find a selection of the courses that are suggested for that track, along with the list of other courses that you may choose so to build up your specific and personal study plan. More details about this can be found following this link and using the menu Master's Degree in Physics, where you may find the presentation of the tracks and of the research activities related with each track. At the Master's Degree in Physics in Ferrara, there is also the opportunity to follow a double degree program with the Paris-Sud-Paris-Saclay University, one of the most prestigious universities in Europe. To participate to this double program, you have to submit your application. In case your application is eligible to participate to the program, then you may spend 1 year in Ferrara and 1 year in Paris. Then you may make the degree thesis, and after discussing that in front of a commission, you have the double degree. If you are interested in making an international experience, apart from applying for the double degree program, you may also decide to spend some months abroad at one of the international laboratories that have ongoing collaborations with the research staff at the Department of Physics and Earth Sciences. In case, after the master's degree, you decide to proceed with your training activity, we have a PhD program in physics. The admission to the program is evaluated depending on your academic qualifications and on an interview. During the program, you have the opportunity to spend 3 years performing a research activity at our department. In addition, we have a joint international PhD program with the Institute of Nuclear Physics of the Polish Academy of Science. For more information about the PhD course or this international joint PhD program, please follow the link reported here at the bottom of this page. For what concerns the employment opportunities after the degree, the 3 main career paths are the following: university and research centers, and in this case, the first step is to attend the PhD program. There is also the opportunity to work in industries, companies, consulting agencies, and regarding this opportunity, there are many former students of this master's degree that now work in different industries and consulting agencies in medical, economical, technical sectors, thanks to the skills that you develop during the degree. For instance, the capability to perform accurate data analysis, problem solving, and to the ability to manage complex and innovative instruments. Eventually, we also have the teaching activity. In this case, you have to attend the FIT internship that lasts 2 years and collect a number of credits of specific scientific areas. If you're interested in this specific case, then the didactic of physics and scientific dissemination track may be considered for the study plan. This is the last slide of this presentation. Here you find the contact details of the coordinator of the master's degree in physics, Professor Paolo Lenisa, and of the teaching manager, Dr. Claudia Zamorani. In case you need additional information, you may send them an email or you may have a look at this website, more specifically to the section devoted to the master's degree, or you may check our Facebook page. So, thank you very much for your interest and for your attention.